suck ass. That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. Really serious niggas, we bring it to you. First off, fuck your bitch in the click you claim. West side, when we ride, come me quick.
681 here with my son Bobby. Bobby the second. What's up, Bobby? Say what's up to the camera. What's up, man? Yo, we're on this YouTube page right now. We're gonna be showing the birds. How they doing?
Flying high.
There you go. Ha! Let's go see. Oh, hello. Whoop, whoop. Bobby, what do you think, Bobby? Bobby, whose channel is this? This is the people's channel, right? Whose channel is it, Bobby?
Raw 681.
There you go. Oh, snap. They're chasing some birds. Oh, they're ripping. They're ripping. B-Rock 681, I gotta let them out before the hurricane comes. You know, gotta let them fly. Exercise, stretch their wings. My son come around. B-Rock 681. Well, actually, it's B-Rock 682. The second. Where's little Bobby at? What's up, Bobby? That's what's up. There's my son. My oldest boy right there. So, he's watching the birds fly. Hope everybody's doing good. Everybody's having a blessed day. I'm trying to deal with everything. I got my hurricane shutters up. Trying to secure things here. And like I said, I let the birds out just so, you know, they get stretch their wings out. Can't go training, it's tough. But we'll see what happens. There they go, right there. Yep. They gotta fly. Find that win. Yeah, people, so getting ready for this hurricane. Actually, I got my my breeder coop all strapped down. Got them birds right there. And again, my son's visiting me. He said, Dad, let the birds out. I'll let them out. Right, Bobby? So, you know, we're just watching the birds fly before that nasty storm comes. But remember, people, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, there they go. Ooh. Crazy pigeons, crazy. They like that wind. Just it makes it kind of tough and dangerous when they go through the wires. But anyways, B-Rock 681 here with his son. Again, Bobby Rodriguez II. Watching the birds fly. Remember, people, I do these videos for you. I enjoy doing these videos. We can learn from each other. We share information. We exchange information. And what can I tell you? Power is knowledge, right? But the best of all is having good friends and knowing who are your friends. The best part. Anyways, please like, share, and subscribe. B-Rock 681. Stay safe. Remember, always be humble, people. Even like your enemies. Like your enemies, like your friends, doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, we're all equal. All created equal. And we all love the pigeons. The feather friend. That's it. I can't say no more. I'm not going to say anymore. There's no more to say. No, Bobby? All right. I'm off for this.